What's up guys, welcome back to Soul Status for another video. Just gonna go over real quick some differences between the Travis Scott 6s, an authentic pair, and a foo-foo pair. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified every time we do videos like this. Let's get right into it. So the first differences that I noticed on this shoe were gonna be on the box. Obviously the first thing you see is the box. On this box, we have this Asian sticker. It's got some like Chinese writing on the bottom. The box is a little bit banged up and damaged. That's something that we generally see with pairs ordered from China. You know, unauthorized pairs get shipped in the mail, sometimes just like in a poly bag, and they get dinged up by your local DHL and UPS guy. Second thing to look out for is the color of the box. I mean, it seems like this pair, the fake pair, has a darker color to the box, a darker color on the Jumpman, and the green is just darker. Also, one thing to look out for is gonna be the stickers on the inside. So on the inside of this shoe, we have a sticker that says 270 and 2.5 in parentheses. On the authentic shoe, you have the men's size sticker that Nike normally does, and then this is a size 11, so it just has a men's size 11 on it. Another thing to quickly check over is something you're gonna need a Blacklight for. So you can find these little UV lights at Home Depot, Lowe's, or even Amazon.com. Spend the $10, it could save you hundreds, if not thousands. On a quick little review of the shoe, we can see right there on the toe box and near the laces that it's glowing. You're seeing like little stitch lines glowing here. That's an immediate red flag. You definitely don't want to be paying, you know, resale for a shoe like that because it is foo-foo. Nike doesn't use those Blacklight lines during the manufacturing of these shoes, and you won't see them. You will not see those little dotted lines. I'll show some examples of the pictures in the frame. So if you don't have a Blacklight and you haven't really caught on based on the box, another thing you can look for is just the quality of the materials. So I'm feeling the fake pair here, and it feels almost like more of a scratchy leather, whereas the authentics definitely feel more of like a buttery suede or smoother material that they're using. Obviously, if you have like a real pair to compare it to, you're gonna catch on pretty quick because there's some differences in colors, difference in materials. The stitching is a little bit different. So on the authentic pair, we have the Nike Air on the back here. We do on the fake pair as well, but the colors are not consistent throughout the threading on the fake pair, whereas the color of this is very consistent throughout the whole threading of this stitching here on the heel of the shoe. On top of that, just the quality of the stitching is much better. Usually you'll see some defects in the stitching of the fake pairs, but this is a very good quality fake pair. So it's kind of scary how good they're getting at it. I mean, aside from like the stitching in the actual material of the shoe being a little bit thinner and the material's not feeling right, the box, I mean, I look at enough of these pairs where I can kind of tell, but I think to most people, if you don't have a real pair, this is gonna get by you. So just be careful out there. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to see more videos like this. Really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one.